When TWS came onto the scene as a convenient option for casual, on-the-move audio, we all kind of forgot that before TWS, there were neckband Bluetooth earbuds, which were a really good option before the convenience of TWS. Today we're taking a look at BlitzWolf's take on the ANC Neckband Earbuds and to see if they are any good. Welcome to a review of the BlitzWolf ANC2. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the BlitzWolf BW ANC2. So today's neckband earbuds are sent over to me for review by Banggood, and for those who do not know, Banggood is a platform where, similar to most online store platform, you can get anything that you want under the sun. And although they have sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. So the BlitzWolf ANC2 retails for about 100 Malaysia ringgit, and that's about 25 US. And it goes very well with BlitzWolf range of earbuds, and they're priced pretty much the same, and especially for an ANC earbuds, these are pretty nicely priced. So let's see if this is a truly worthy ANC earbuds for 25 US, and if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links below. So when I first hold the neckband on my hands, my immediate impression is that this is totally unlike any other BlitzWolf earbud because the quality of this neckband is super solid and high quality. So the fit and finish, everything here are very nice and smooth. There's no sharp edges or rough edges. The material used are all super good. And if honestly you blindfold me and I hold this in my hand, I would not for a second think that these are 25 bucks. So the earbuds are primarily made out of plastic, so all the bits around here are plastic, but these are really high quality plastic, and the neckband portion at the back here is made of a very smooth feeling silicone band, very comfortable to wear, and the band flexes and moves very freely, so moving it around feels super nice. The last neckband ANC earbuds that I've owned was the Bose QC30, and honestly that was nowhere near as comfy as the BlitzWolf. So on the left side of the neckband, that's where you get all your controls, and honestly they're pretty much straightforward, so we'll take a look at the control schemes later on. And on the outside of each of the neckband, you get a mirrored plastic finish, which is pretty nice. And on one side it says BlitzWolf, and on the other side it says designed by BlitzWolf. Kind of seems a little bit redundant there, but nevertheless still pretty cool. And below the left hand side itself, you get a flap that hides the Type-C charging port inside, and once you plug it in, the LED will light up to indicate that it's charging. So the cable used on these earbuds isn't the thickest, and I would think a braided cable will give it more strength and looks a lot better. And the earbuds portion of the ANC2 is also very solid and feels quite heavy a little bit, and although they are made mostly out of plastic, they don't feel light or cheap. So partly is because maybe it has magnets inside each of these earbuds that magnetically stick both the earbuds together when you're not using them. And apart from that, these are your very typical in-ear style earbuds. So battery is one aspect that makes neckband style earbuds very desirable, since they can house a much bigger battery inside the band compared to TWS earbuds. So overall, the ANC2 gives you a good 20 hours of listening time with ANC on, and turning the ANC off will give you another 10 more hours at 30 hours. So the earbuds takes about 2 hours to fully charge. So for a neckband style ANC earbuds, these are pretty mediocrely spec'd, but then again they don't come with a premium price tag, so that's pretty okay. And the ANC2 comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset which supports AAC and SBC audio codec, which is pretty good when it comes to music and watching videos. Another great thing about these earbuds is that it comes with an IPX5 water resistant rating, so it gives you pretty good protection if you decide to bring this to the gym or use them for running under the rain. Lastly, there's no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, and considering that there is space for the hardware to be included in the neckband, multi-point connectivity would have been a great plus point for these earbuds. So I've tested many ANC earbuds on this channel, and I must say that from an ANC perspective, these earbuds totally don't do it for me, and I really wish for it to be good. So turning on the ANC on or off, it really doesn't feel any different for me, which is kind of disappointing. But the earbuds do provide you with pretty decent passive isolation, so we got that going for us, which is nice. Fortunately, these earbuds are not any more expensive than other BlitzWolf earbuds, so if you're getting these simply for their battery life and the convenience of a neckband earbud, then this is definitely for you. And if you're looking for a budget ANC option, you might want to look somewhere else. So sound quality is okay on these earbuds, and fortunately they sound solid and don't sound cheap, but they aren't perfect either. So for one, these earbuds are not the bassiest earbuds you'll hear. It's really not about the driver, but more of the tuning. Since there are no batteries inside these earbuds, BlitzWolf managed to fit a 13mm driver in his earbuds, which is huge. But bass sounds quite flattish and not as powerful as I hope an in-ear earbuds would sound. So clarity on these earbuds are great, and my genre of music with this kind of earbuds will be something like Andrea Bocelli, where vocals are the main focus of the music, and with those musics these earbuds shine. However, I do notice that these earbuds do crackle a little bit at higher volumes, especially when it comes to the high pitch portions, and they start to crack a little bit. But one saving grace is these earbuds really do get really loud, so if you like loud music, these won't disappoint. So from a call quality perspective, I was extremely happy with the performance of the ANC2 because the neckband that houses the microphones are so close to your mouth, they sound super nice. So calls are great in both quiet and noisy environments, but it doesn't cut off much of the background noises, but your voice still does come through nice and clearly. Anyways, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the BlitzWolf ANC2 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. Latency wise, I wouldn't say that these are almost latency free, and testing them for videos and movies are great, and you definitely don't get latency with normal video apps like YouTube or Netflix. Gaming on the other hand does see a tiny bit of delay, nothing unbearable, and if you use it casually, they do feel pretty good too. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So like most neckband style earbuds, these come with a full set of controls that are super easy to use. So to play or pause music or pick up phone calls, tap once on the multifunction button and it will play or pause your media. And to volume up, simply use the volume rocker, so volume up with the volume up and volume down with the volume down. To skip tracks forward, tap and hold on the volume up button and it will skip forward, and to skip backwards, tap on the volume down button. To toggle between the different ANC modes, tap the ANC button at the back, just hold it and you will hear it toggle between ANC on or ANC off. So there's only two modes, there's no transparency mode on this. And lastly, tap 3 times on the multifunction button to call out your assistant. So it'll pause your media and pull out your assistant. So that's basically all of the comprehensive controls you get with the BW ANC2. So apart from the ANC that felt like it didn't really do much, I really think that this is a solid pair of neckband earbuds with a very attractive price. And if you disregard the ANC feature, I think this is still a very good buy. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.